What I teach to my eBay dropshippers is very smart trick how to do sales at the very beginning, because we use certain products for the certain price in a certain category for the certain description with a certain title. Let me show you how it happens. New subscribers today ask me, how about long tail keywords? What are those long tail keywords? Andrew, can you explain what is the long tail keywords? Where can we find them? How can we use them? And the best way to do this, of course, is to make a very short video to show you what the long tail keywords are and how you can make them for free without any paid tools. Guys, you know I'm not supporting any of the paid tools, and I'm supporting only manual listening. Let's say office chair mat. Okay, let's take office chair mat. So we got office chair mat. Now let's say we will gonna sell office chair mat. Of course, there is a lot of office chair mats. I have been selling them actually pretty well. For example, this one here was sold pretty well, and maybe I will take another one now. Let me see which one we can take. Just the office chair mat. Amazon's choice office chair mat we can take. Yeah, why not? And I'm looking for something a little bit more specific. Something a little bit more specific. Sometimes what I do is just I'm scrolling down here. It's not a, I'm just want to take some product here. Just some nice product about, let's say very quickly what it is. Okay, let me take the Amazons. Okay, where was the Amazons? This is the Amazon's choice. All right, let's click on this and see if we were gonna have some options here. Actually, the size is not really good one. I don't like that size. I have chair mat under myself here. You can hear it, but you can hear it, but you can see it. This one looks good one, $20. Okay, let me, and the size is good. Okay, so this is what? Essential chair mat for carpet floors. Okay, so the thing is like this. If this is the chair mat, okay, forget about those essential chair mat for carpet floor protector for office desk chair. Okay, yeah, this is one way to do. All right, so let me show you something. If you do like this, copy paste, which is not supportable at all, and you open your eBay and you go here, essential chair mats, then is all those poor guys trying to sell chair mats. Do you want to be one of them? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, so then please, if you don't want to be one of them, don't use those words here like everybody else is using them. This is just so simple, okay? So that would be number one thing. Do not use the same keywords, okay? So what we can do is, and what we are doing, especially for beginners, this is very cool thing, and it's for free. You just go here on Google, essential chair mats for carpet. Forget about them. Chair mat for carpet, and you can see if there is nothing popping up interesting here. Change it, and think a little bit like a human being. This is the what? This is office chair. You see what's popping up here already? Office chair mat for, okay. Interesting. Office chair mat for, let me click on that one. Office chair mat for carpet. Aha, cool. Or for hardwood floor. Okay, so, but I remember that was it with the piles, so it's for the carpet. I think I was gonna click this one. Office chair mat for carpet. Okay, so now what happened here is office chair mat for carpet. Cool. Now I go to the eBay, to the same bodies like those guys. I'm here. Okay, I just go say, hey, okay, cool. Bye bye, boys and girls. I'm gonna do office chair mat for carpet search. Okay, and when I go office chair mat for carpet, I have all sorts of different chair mats here again. Okay, so office chair mat for car. I just popped out this price here. It's interesting, right? It's very interesting. It's one sold. It's one sold here. Let me click on sold. You always click on sold because let me explain to you. You have to always click on sold because sometimes they are tricky, and we use this trick as well in our School of Dropshipping. We use this trick pretty much, but just for another strategy, but I'm just sharing with you guys here now, because when we list for 20 and then when it's sold and then we double the price, it looks like, oh my gosh, this is so crazy product, right? But it's just another story here. And click here, just make sure it's sold. Yeah, really, it's actually sold very pretty well, pretty good. Okay, so, and the chair mat is kind of like the same, This poor body is not selling them because he's using templates. Don't use templates or you are gonna be suffering like this poor body here. Okay, now what we are gonna do is very simple. I will take this boy or girl, whatever it is. I will take as an example. I will use this button here. If you don't have the button here, it's probably that you are brand new or don't be panic here, okay? But if you have this button here, it's very easy. Just click on the button, because what it does, I will gonna kind of like create my title here, and I will gonna create my long tail keywords. Okay, so I click on sell now, and the system will gonna generate automatically here the title in. Okay, and now I will gonna update my title, because obviously I don't want this title, so I'm just copy the title and go very slow for you to follow. Then I open my document here. So, and I'm landing here on my document, and I will gonna paste this here, the title here. All right, so, and next is I will take the office chair mat 4. Okay, office chair mat 4. Go back to Google. This is office chair mat 4, and now I see office chair mat 4 carpet. Cool, I will take this one. Office chair mat 4 carpet. You see, office chair mat 4 carpet. But this is the long tail keyword here as well. Office chair mat for carpeted floors. Oh my gosh, this is very cool one actually. This is very cool one actually. Okay, because guys, when you have longer keyword, long tail keywords, you are narrowing down very good one in a very good way, and you will most likely will be selling like this body here. Okay, for the crazy price here, because this is 54, he sold for 64. It's the same chair mat. The size is the same chair mat, 30, let me just double check. Yeah, 48 by 36, it's the same chair mat. It's the same chair mat, okay? So double price, he sold for more than double, for triple almost. Oh my gosh, no, but he is not my student, because our students doesn't use templates, so, but he sold it, okay? So cool. This is like very interesting story here. Let me just grab very cool, very quick here, and yeah, he's making some attention there. It's okay. So, which I just wanted to check out if he's working with the keywords or not, but I can see immediately that he's working with the keywords. He's running away from the people and doing like this guy here, just, okay, I'm gonna do my business. So actually that's what he is doing. Okay, back to our keywords. I got the keywords here. Okay, so what I do with the keywords is it's the same like we do like this with the keywords. We do this with the keywords. What I'm doing right now is I'm just making nice, it's kind of like, I don't know, I have been doing this for 5 years already. It's just kind of like, you know, you create your habits and then you just follow your habits, and this is what I do. I just change the the capital letters first. I'm not sure if this really matters, but I used to do this, okay? What I will not gonna do is I will take the for away from the title, okay? Because in a title it shouldn't be for, because for I will have in my main keyword. This is my main keyword, long tail keyword, okay? Now, office chair mat for carpet, office chair mat for carpeted floors. I got pretty cool long tail keywords right now, okay? So go back to Google. Let's see what we can do here. Office chair mat for carpet, office chair mat for carpeted floors, okay? Office chair mat not for hardwood, hard floor, decorative chair mats. Best chair mat for carpet. Okay. I wouldn't be using best, but I would be using maybe decorative chair mat for decorative floor, decorative for carpet. If I click the space button near me, Costco, Staples, Lowe's, Target, reviews, office chair mat for carpeted. You see what happened? Desk chair mat for carpeted floors. That's amazing one. I got another long tail keyword here. Okay, cool. That's what I like. I go back to my notes and I do the same right here. Okay, I will not gonna do with all the keywords, guys. I just want you to take, just want you to get this kind of like idea what is how we are doing, how we are making crazy sales now with the manual listing, and with doing our own, because you know it's what I'm doing here. Basically I make authentic listing here. Nobody is in the competition with me. That's what basically I'm doing with my long tail keywords, and that allows me to go away from those freaking dropshippers who is copying and pasting. And that's why my students are selling so crazy good, because we do totally different here. Okay, so desk chair mat for carpeted floor. Okay, office chair mat. I can put here desk, office desk chair mat for carpeted floors. It will gonna be, I'm telling you, it's a crazy good. Okay, I just need maybe to list it myself. I start liking this. Desk chair mat, office chair mat for hardwood floor. Again, booms. Here you got the tip. Go find the office chair mat for hardwood floor. You got the crazy good long tail keyword. Okay, and you can see it's even the people are paying for this. And best chair mat for carpet, chair hardwood, hard floor chair mat, heavy duty chair mat for carpet. Booms. I got another one, heavy duty chair mat for carpet. This is the long tail keyword. Why would I need to think about the keywords or pay some keyword tool? If anything, what I need is just right here for free. You know what? We used to just throw away money where we don't really need to throw away money. You know why, guys? Because marketers who make those apps and who make those kind of like softwares, they know what we need, right? They know what we need, and they just make them, and they just kind of like market us, and then we need to buy and pay them monthly membership for what? Just doesn't make any sense. Right? Heavy duty chair mat carpet, heavy duty carpet chair mat for non-breakable polycarbonate. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I got there, right? This is exactly what I got here. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. Here. Okay. Heavy duty carpet chair mat for non-breakable polycarbonate, non-breakable, unbreakable, or non-breakable. Okay, cool. No toxic odor. Okay, cool. Let it stay. I get things so excited. Here is so many. Usually, guys, I will not gonna go much longer here. You got the idea. What I'm doing is, here is so far four crazy good long tail keywords. Here I'm getting so much more long tail keywords. I will gonna do the same method, and usually it depends on what level are you selling. If you are the newbie, you don't need more than 6 basically. Okay, that's what we used to do in our community, 6 up to 6, like 3 to 6 pictures, 3 to 6 keywords and stuff like this. Then another thing is, if you are an advanced seller already with more than 100 feedbacks or something like that, and you used to sell daily products, I would recommend always the same what I recommend to my boys and girls, that do those as much as you can up till 12, okay, because you are gonna be boosted and crazy good. All right, so now I hope you got the idea how to make the long tail keywords. One more thing what I want you to see is before, let me just show you something, okay? And you can just keep working on those keywords here, like heavy duty. You can put like no toxic odor, office desk, chair. Let's just Google help you to work out what is that people are looking there. All right, so I hope it's clear so far. One more thing what I want you to give in this video as a bonus is office desk chair mat. In a case if you just run out from all ideas what to do and how to do, go to the Google. This is just another option how to look, where to look for the keywords. Type in this again, enter. Then you see it comes like to this page here in Google search. Then you go to the images, right? You go to the images and then you see all those crazy chair mats here, right? And then guess what? Under those pictures, the pictures are connected with the keywords here, okay? Desk chair mat PVC and stuff like this. You see it's Amazon, you see it's Walmart, you see it's Amazon again. Okay, so this is one thing what you can do to find out maybe your chair mat is, oh, here is the chair mat. Don't use those words like taxon. I don't know what the taxon is, but you got the idea, okay? Office desk chair mat and stuff like this. You can find even a supplier here sometimes and you run out of the stock. But one more thing is here. You see those here, the words here, those are the keywords. Those are the keywords. In this case, it's not very good one here, hardwood floors maybe only. When you click on a hardwood floors, there is like floor protector. Cool, nice idea. Let me see if I have floor protector here. Blah, 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 blah. No, I don't have floor protector. You see what I mean? You can get good keywords here. Floor protector. You click on a floor protector. Carpet hardwood. Carpet hardwood. Interesting. That's for carpet and hardwood. Computer desk. Okay, I have no computer there, right? In my keywords, stuff like this, guys. I told you there is a many ways how we can do this with the long tail keywords, but you got the point, hopefully. Okay.